Castor Maritime, I have quite a large holding in this shipping company, and it's definitely expanding at a very quick rate. The latest news is that the announcement just made is the closing and drawdown through two of its ship owning subsidiaries of an $18 million senior term loan facility with an European bank. The $18 million financing secured by two of its tanker vessels. The company intends to use the net proceeds from the 18 million financing for general corporate purposes, including supporting the company's growth plans. The 18 million financing has a tenure of 4 years and bears interest at LIBOR plus 3.2% per annum. This is the London interbanking offered rate. Castor Maritime has a fleet of 24 vessels which it has grown in a very short time. This was made possible by creating and selling extra shares in the company at a price less than they were being traded at. With this money, they have put it to work acquiring vessels. They now own 24. To raise cash to carry on operating the company, which has acquired its vessels through individual wholly owned companies, this protects the company's assets with one company owning one vessel. Has used two tankers as security to raise an $18 million loan at an interest rate of LIBOR plus 3.2%, repayable over 4 years. This demonstrates that the company is serious about expanding and having a long-term viable future. The shares, what will you do? Or what should you do? Or what am I going to do? Buy, hold or sell? Well, in my situation, I have a large holding, and at the moment, the value of my holding is less than what I paid. Therefore, I'm going to hold. Now might be the time to buy with the possibility of future growth, or only sell to take some or all profit. So Castor Maritime is a company on a journey, a definite fast rate of expanding. I can see why they're in the news. They're actively acquiring vessels, and they've just raised $18 million to support its running of the company. As you can see, this is the shares as they're shown on my Trading 212 platform. That's the 1 month performance of the shares. You can see where they've peaked and they've dropped down. The daily performance is a bit jagged, down, up, down. They're leveled out. Over 1 week they've predominantly fell. Over a month, as I said, it's a bit of a jagged up and down. Over 3 months they've gently declined. Over 1 year they've sort of risen, peaked and come down. So this is quite a interesting share to follow and to invest in. I've got a very large holding, and my position is such that I'm so far into it, I've got to let the shares ride and watch them bounce back and grow and take a nice profit. So this is my take on the latest news from Castor Maritime. Basically, they've used two of their vessels as collateral to get an $18 million loan so they can run the company and carry on. So there you have it. This is my update on Castor Maritime. Any questions or comments, most welcome. Till next time, I wish you all a very successful investing journey.